All right, today I'm gonna show y'all how to do something to your boat that needs to be done at least once a year, and that's changing the lower unit oil. So come along and we'll get to it. All right, so the first step is you gotta lower the motor. All right, so now that the motor's down, there are two screws on the lower unit, one on the top here and then one down here. You want to remove the top one first to provide airflow, and then the bottom one. Also, you want to have a drain pan to catch the old oil coming out. All right, I'm just gonna let it drain out, and we'll start filling her back up. All right, so it's still draining but barely coming out. It's about time to start filling it back up. So I've just got some Startron gear lube. I got a couple bottles of it, and we'll get the pump on it and start pumping it in. You want to stick the end of the pump into that. And screw it into that bottom hole. Get the angle right. Alright. So now that you got it screwed in, you just take the bottle and start pumping it in. When that bottle runs out, you just throw the new one on. There it is, coming out. Okay, so while your hose is still in the bottom, so you don't lose that oil you just put in it, you want to screw the top one back in just to seal it off so there's not a vacuum pulling all that oil out of there. All right, so now gotta take the bottom one out and put the bottom screw back in. It drips a little bit, but that's okay. It's not. You're not losing a ton of oil. All right, the bottom one and then the top one are in, and that's how to do it. It's pretty simple, but it's important to do at least once a year. Twice a year is good too, but yep. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If you got value out of the video, please consider hitting the subscribe button, and see you on the next one.